Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
My vlog.
Welcome
So
to
it's
my walang kakwenta-kwenta
it's ano,
vlog.
it's
Yeah.
after na. Ano?
What?
Ano yung kahapon kasi Christmas kahapon eh. Anong sasabihin mo
Yesterday is
after
is,
Christmas?
Yes, Christmas.
Oh, after Christmas.
Yeah, and after Christmas today,
Today?
it's a Boxing Day.
Boxing Day.
Yeah.
So we buy our new toy,
New toy.
the what do you call that one? The Party Box Club 120.
Yeah. Because we're gonna
So,
party tonight.
We get it half a price, half a price. That's why we grab it.
Yeah, you grab it and tomorrow, no money.
No money. No eating.
Yeah, we're just gonna sing and sing for the whole day.
So what we gonna eat
What?
for lunch today?
We eat. I will cook pakbet.
Because we don't have money
We
anymore.
don't have money anymore.
But we put
We put lots of fats.
parts. And when you go to your doctor,
When I go to my doctor said, "Oh, Fermina, why did your why did your cholesterol don't goes down?" And I will tell to my doctor, "Oh, sorry, doctor, because I eat lots of fat on the holiday season."
hindi sasabihin mo kumain ka naman ng ng
Oh,
gulay.
I eat fruits and veggies, doctora.
Doctor, I eat vegetable,
Yeah,
but
I eat-
I remember I put
Yeah.
some of pots and
No, because we buy, the pork belly. Yeah, because it's delicious for me. I don't like the meat that no
fat.
No, ano yung tawag doon sa taba?
no pot. Taba, pot. Belly ba?
Oh.
Pots nga di ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I like pork belly.
Pork belly,
Because
yeah.
it's lots of fats and it's delicious.
And look at the belly. You see the result? So you know how to belly dancing.
Walang magawa sa
You
buhay.
belly dancing. So we here in Auckland, AUT, just near on our house. So we need to take a rest because we ride on the bus.
Ride on the bus.
To get this one, we just ride on the bus. It's too heavy. Probably it's like 30 kilos.
Probably.
Yeah, it's
Where-
like 30 kilos.
Oh, where did you get
Potentially. And definitely
where did you get your English? Probably.
on the AUT, Auckland University School.
Okay na, bye-bye na.
Okay,
Bye-bye
bye-bye
na,
vlog.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to my vlog.
Tatakpan mong ganon.